Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lives all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces, and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head?
I should've let this jagged edge just need some light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. Shattering the silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our